Hi, I want to begin by telling you a few short stories. Have you ever heard the story of David and the lions? What about Daniel and the giants? No, that's not right. It's actually David and Goliath, and it's Daniel and the lion's den. Well, have you ever heard the story of Noah and how he freed the people of Israel from the king of Egypt? And what about Moses and how he built the ark and saved the animals two by two? No, that's not correct. It was actually Moses who freed the people of Israel and Noah who built the ark. Are you confused by my stories? Well, imagine a room full of children at church hearing this story for the very first time. This is how they feel when a teacher comes into the room unprepared. They will be confused and not know what they're listening to. Teachers must be prepared when teaching the Word of God. They have to know the Word for themselves, study the Word for themselves, and show themselves approved. That is the only way you can teach children the Word of God. You have to know your children, know how they learn. Some kids are very visual. If this is the case, then use presentation aids. Some kids need to have tactile things. So bring arts and crafts. You have to make the lesson interesting. When you don't have your lessons prepared ahead of time, you can give kids a misunderstanding of who God is. You want them to build a strong relationship, to have a strong foundation. In order to do that, you yourself must be approved. You yourself must be prepared. When you're unprepared, children will not seem interested. They don't want to come to the lesson. Children will only invest how much you invest. You invest little, you expect little in return. Make the lessons meaningful. Kids in 2016 have a lot of things going on. There's bullying, there's fighting, there's lots of things. Use lessons from the Bible. Incorporate these things the children are facing now to help them with these issues. Also, when you're prepared, they play less. They want to come to class. They want to be part of it. You can also see their growth. So just in conclusion, always be prepared. Take the time, set aside, pray over your word, learn your word. Make the lesson meaningful, active, and you will see your children in Children's Church grow. Thank you.